Hey there friends, and welcome to another unboxing video. Today I'm checking out this little sweatshirt thing that goes over the shifter on your car. So this thing's pretty cool, little hoodie here. It comes in a bunch of different colors. You can fold it, maybe put it on a little doll or something if you'd like. It's the arms are open, the little drawstring there. You can tighten it and make a little bow, tuck the little hands into the pocket there too, so however you want to put it on that shifter knob looks pretty sweet on there. And just a fun little gadget you can use to decorate your car with. It's pretty neat there. But anyways, let's go test it out and see how it looks on the shifter there. Oh, right, here it is. You just simply slip it over the shifter there and it looks pretty cool. You can have little arms in, have an arm out, just kind of hanging out. Have both arms out if you want. You'd untie the little drawstrings there. Pretty much any way you want to put this little guy on there. Kind of a neat little conversation piece or whatever. Looks pretty cool. Especially if your shifter knob is kind of messed up there. You can kind of just cover it with this little sweatshirt. But pretty cool, my friends. Comes in a bunch of different colors, like I said. And just kind of cool. Thanks for watching this video. Hope it's helpful. Have a great day. And I'll see you next time.